Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi you guys!
Hey guys, we just want to start off by saying thank you so much for making our recipes.
Yes, it makes us so excited when you guys make one of our recipes and tag us. So we are going to start putting them in our videos and giving you guys all a little shout out.
Hey, why not?
Hey, why not?
Shout out Baking with Josh and Ange. Not too shabby. It just makes us so happy to see these photos and
to see you guys make it and
it's
bake
so
it
cool.
in the
It's
kitchen.
so cool. So Ange, what are we making today?
Oh my gosh, you guys, it's on me today. I'm in charge of the video. I'm really nervous. I'm making soup. Again, I like to make soup. You like eating soup.
I love eating soup, and she makes the best soups. The Italian wedding soup is one of my favorites, and this is a close second.
You guys, this is a soup I just made with leftovers. I guess we could call it like a green chili enchilada soup?
Yeah, that's a good description for it.
Green chili enchilada soup. And I hope you like it.
Yep.
All right, so here's what you're gonna need for my green chili enchilada soup. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a cup of chopped red onion, half a can of diced jalapeños, 3 sweet peppers chopped, 4 carrots cut, 1 rotisserie chicken shredded, 2 cups of chicken broth, 2 cans of green chili enchilada sauce, and 1 can of corn.
Ange is in charge, so let's hear what she has to say.
Josh is my sous chef. You will help me?
This is what happens every day.
Does not. Ready?
Yep.
All right, so you're gonna take your Dutch oven or
Yep.
whatever kind of big pot you like to make soup in and put the heat to, low to medium. Add your olive oil. Let that warm up just a little bit. Now add your red onion, which I was just telling Josh, I think looks purple.
It does look purple.
It looks
I do have to
purple.
say, it's called red onion, but it's definitely purple.
Add your purple/red onion. I just mix in the onion, get the olive oil sort of all coated on it. Now let's add in the jalapeños.
Ooh, make it spicy.
Put your sweet peppers in. So now I'm gonna turn the heat up a little bit to medium because I wanna let these kind of saute just a little bit.
I do have to say it's kind of weird for me not to be doing anything.
Yeah, right?
I'm
This
so
is
used-
how I feel.
I
It's
know.
like, you're like making those ombre cakes and I'm like, can I mix you?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. It's kind of nice to be on the other side, so now I kind of know.
Now I wanna add the carrots, guys.
Okay,
Give me
can
some
I get
carrots.
this? All right,
Yes.
there you go, babe.
Yay.
It already smells so good.
It does. So you want to really mix in all of your ingredients, the peppers and onions and the carrots, get it all really nicely coated with the olive oil.
How long do we saute this for?
Good question, Josh.
Thank you.
So you're going to let your carrots and peppers simmer for about 7 minutes, low to medium heat.
I'll set the timer. Okay? I got it.
I don't
got
ever set the timer.
Da-da-da.
Ta-da!
Timer.
All right, so our carrots and peppers have simmered nicely on low to medium heat. So next I would like the shredded chicken.
Oh, can I put it in?
Yeah, why don't you put it in?
Awesome. All
Why don't you
right.
put it in there? I'll tell you why I put the chicken in next. This is just my little thing, is that I really like the chicken to absorb some of that jalapeno and olive oil kind of seasoning. I like to add the chicken before I add anything else that's a
Good
broth and
tip.
everything.
It's a good tip.
Now the corn.
Okay, corn.
Now I add the corn.
There you go.
All right, so I mixed all those ingredients in pretty well. Now let's add the chicken broth.
All right. There you go.
Why don't you pour it in?
Pour it in.
Stir that all in. Now let's add the green chili enchilada sauce.
All right.
Once you got the chicken broth and the green chili enchilada sauce in, just give it really a nice mix. Get everything, as they say in the baking world, incorporated.
That's right.
Get it all incorporated, people. Bring it to a light boil, and then after it boils a little bit, take the heat down, and you're gonna let it simmer on medium to low heat for about 10 minutes.
Well, I'll go get maybe some bowls and
Yeah.
some toppings.
Yes, oh, Josh likes some toppings,
I do
folks.
like some toppings.
We're not done, there's toppings.
We're not done. There's more.
All right, it's done.
Yay!
So quick. That's what I like about this recipe. Not a ton of prep time, cooks really fast. If you have a big family like we do, it's easy to make.
That's right.
Although our kids don't like to
Of course,
eat
they
it.
don't like it, so we end up making other things.
We make
anyway.
other things, but it is a really quick thing for us to make.
And it's great as leftovers as well.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Can I scoop it out for you, babe? There
Thank
you
you,
go.
thank you very
No
much.
problem. Mmm, so good.
We like to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top. You can do any kind of shredded cheese blend. This one we use is called Fiesta Blend. I just sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top. There you go.
And I like a little bit more cheese on mine, so.
He does.
I do. So I like to take these tortilla chips. It doesn't really matter what kind. Crumble them up in my soup too. I think it makes it delicious.
Mmm. That is really good.
I mean, seriously.
That is so good.
I love this so much.
Do you get a
I
jalapeno?
jalapeno. It's a little spicy.
Sometimes you get a jalapeno.
I like the spice, but I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah.
All right, guys, that is it. This is a delicious and easy soup. Good job, Ange.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was great.
We'll see you next week.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Do we have warm-up music? I don't know. Kitty cat, stop. It's okay. Stop. Please hold while we feed our cats. We just had to put the dogs outside. Animals gone wild in our house.
Next up on Baking with Josh and Ange, the great pet giveaway. Write in and we'll let you
you one of
take
our pets.
your pick of one of our pets.
Okay.